Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tarun Josh, and I know it's been a very long time I made some videos, but today this motivated me to make this video, and that's the Apple Vision Pro, which I bought like 3 days ago, and I'm super excited to talk about it. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you why I bought this device. See, I see the future of internet is like going to change forever with this device. I know the VR headsets are there for a very long time, but this thing is completely different. The quality of the screen is like mind blowing. There are a lot of things I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to jump here and there, so my review is not going to be, oh, I'm going to talk about this specifically. I did not make a list. Whatever comes to my mind, I'm just going to talk about that in this video about this amazing device. Since the time Apple has released this, I've been very excited to get this device and try it out, but it was not available in Canada. It is only available in US only. Even right now it's not available in Canada. So I somehow got this device, and I tried it, and the experience was nothing like I have ever seen. I did not try out any specific VR headsets like Meta Quest and all those. The first experience of my VR was like 10-12 years ago when the first Google Cardboard came out. Right? That was my experience, that's all. Beyond that, like, I've never tried any specific VR. But when Apple said like we're going to release it, I knew already like the quality is going to be really good, and the future is definitely going to be this. I was watching some like 3D movies in this, and some spatial videos. Oh my god, you will never be able to get this kind of experience anywhere. Literally, personally, I have never tried something like this, and when I tried it, it felt like you are there. And the 3D movies, like for example, I was watching this Marvel's Endgame inside the VR with the 3D in the Disney. I was just in the Stark Tower, Tony Stark's tower, and I was looking out the window, like the huge view of the city, and you're playing the 3D movie of Endgame. It is mind-boggling, I would say. Like, how is my experience wearing this headset? Other than that, like, I'm going to talk about like a lot of other exciting things. I also made some videos. I literally did cooking with this, but initial 2 days was really tough. I was on the second day I was planning, okay, I'll just sell it off now, but right now I'm rethinking that because the first 2 days what was happening is my every 15 minutes my eyes were burning, and my I was literally having a lot of trouble wearing this, and the headband was not fitting properly, and it felt like very heavy. After wearing it for like few few hours, and after trying it for like 2 days, my eyes got adjusted to it, and then the weight also now it's okay. I think it's because like we have never been used to wearing this heavy things on our head. Our head or the neck bone is not strong enough to manage the weight. Once you start wearing it, like it's like exercise, right? If you have not done exercise for a very long time, you cannot lift weights, right? On the day one itself, it's similar to that. It's kind of exercise. You're weighing that on your head, and you're like trying it for like few days, and your neckline or the backbone is kind of becoming stronger and getting adjusted to that weight. So I think that's the thing. Though like people are feeling heavy and few people did not feel heavy, probably it is because of the reason they're doing that head kind of exercise or something, or they have been carrying weights on their head. Probably that's the reason they did not feel the weight. But I personally felt a lot of weight for first 2 days, and after like 2-3 days of usage, now I can use it for like hours. I can watch like continuously movies, and I'm in this space for a long time. I'm in the space for like 3 or 4 hours. I'm just exploring, watching movies, and doing a lot of things. So I'll just talk about like few specific things. When you're wearing this, it's not like fully, you cannot just see everything around you. You can only see a limited, like you cannot see this sides of it. So, and you'll also feel like you're wearing these goggles, but after some time, like you'll not even realize. Like first, initially for some time you might realize, but after that you'll forget that you're wearing these glasses and everything. It looks realistic, and it feels like you are in the space. Then the pass through in the daytime, it's good. Like you'll be able to see everything. I'm able to see everything, do my stuff. Like I will, like look at this video. I've been cooking chicken curry here, and also I'm making these sandwiches here. You can see that I'm also watching this YouTube video and also making sandwiches. That is so cool, man. Craziest part is I'm able to chop things with a knife. I believe that is the most dangerous thing we can do on the Vision Pro. I'm cutting everything and just like cooking and making sandwiches, right? And also cooking that chicken curry, which is making, as you can see, I'm still in the space, but also I'm doing the work. Coming to connecting my Mac to the Vision Pro, my experience is it's great, but the screen of Mac is something mind-blowing. The quality is unbeatable. There we can see some 4K screen, but I have a lot of issue focusing on stuff, and sometimes I feel it is blurry, and as a designer personally I feel I will not use it yet, but as a movie buff I would definitely use it. And as I said at the start, the the internet is going to change. So how I imagine this changing the internet is, for now, for example, right now you're going into a shop physically and buying stuff, right? And in the online it's just images or some 3D rotation images, right? I think in the future people will go into these virtual spaces and they will start doing stuff there, like watching movies together, which already we can do actually. So if you have a friend who has a Vision Pro, you and them, both of them can go to a movie theater, sit side by side and watch movies. I think the movie industry is going to like change forever, like because there would would not be a infrastructure cost, and if you have one Vision Pro kind of a device which is super high quality. See, imagine you and your friends going into the movie theater together and just watching it together, and like the person who is sitting next to you is visible and you will be able to talk to them literally, and if they're moving from one place to another, you can see them moving, changing their places. About the internet, right? So currently we are shopping in the physical space, and also we are shopping in the online space, but there will be multiple virtual worlds where there will be some shopping centers, theaters, stadiums, whatnot. Everything which is outside is there inside in the virtual reality. So it's kind of great, but at the same time it's also saddening, because at the same time it also feels bad, like you will not go out frequently. Right now the device is very expensive, not a lot of people can afford it, and the weight, the quality of the screen is mind-blowing, but it can be improved a little more. I feel it doesn't feel natural. Sometimes you feel this screen door effect a little bit. It's not there, but a little bit. And also this chromatic aberration that when you like, it's kind of those colors which come up when you see at the sides, but otherwise it's all great. So when these things become lighter and these things become more affordable, people are going to just buy them, and they're going to experience all this stuff which they were not able to experience before. And because it brings us close to the reality in the virtual space, what happens is probably you might not have to travel different places and just watch them in the VR. So there is a lot of opportunity, and I'm sure like early adapters will have more opportunities, and they will be making applications for this. This is only the developers release. There are rumors that Apple is going to release something like within next 18 months. That means probably within 1 year they are going to release something different, lighter and improved version, because they're all, so when somebody is trying to return this Vision Pro, what Apple is doing is they're taking feedback, why they did not like it, what can be improved and everything. So probably they will implement all these things in the new device, upcoming device version 2. And I'm also excited for the version 2.0 OS, which is probably coming in this October or something. They might do some lot of software improvements. So there is another application I want to talk about, but probably that is for the next video, because one of the biggest problems people were facing since the time they bought this Vision Pro is they feel lonely, they're alone. But there is one application which came out which brings a lot of people together, and I've seen many professional people inside the Vision Pro. They're talking about tech stuff, they're talking like generally what is their experience with the Vision Pro and all those. I will introduce that application to you guys very soon. So I'm excited to make more videos about the Vision Pro, and also like probably we'll make some videos about how we can design interfaces inside this device, like how it's gonna help designers, and in the designer's perspective how it's gonna be. We can probably talk about that, and how we have to reimagine everything what we are doing right now. So thank you very much for watching. I'll come up with more and more videos of Vision Pro. I'm planning to make a huge series, or maybe turn this channel completely into the Vision Pro channel, because this is the future, and I kind of see a niche also in this. I want to be very realistic with you. That's why I just share whatever comes to my mind. See you guys again very soon. I will come up with a new video, and we'll catch up there. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.